guys, I'm Burger
And I'm Fries.
and we are best friends. We should stop acting like teenagers now.
But I still have teenage problems.
Pimple problems. Do you have pimple problems?
I do. I have 4 or 5 pimples on my face right now.
Huge ones that too. I hate period pimples. So Clean and Clear sent us this face wash, which is their pimple clearing face wash, and we tried it out for you guys and we thought we're gonna give you a review of this.
So girls, it's finally time for you to break up with your pimples. So guys, first things first, let's clear this out to you that this was sent across to us by Clean and Clear, and we thought of reviewing it and trying it for you guys because this is something which is easily available. It's affordable to every pocket, and the prices are,
the smaller one is for 55 and the bigger one, this 180 ml here, is for 99 only. So it's gonna be really light on your pocket, and for all of your teenage girls, you don't have to think too much about investing your money into anything expensive but this product. So let me give you girls a closer look of the product and let's talk about its packaging.
So I'm pretty sure you guys remember your moms putting neem on your face whenever you had that big red pimple, and lemon to clear that scar away. So whenever we think of pimples, I think we relate that to neem and lemon and that green color. So this exactly has that packaging. You can spot this from a distance. The entire packaging is green in a plastic tube, and it has lemon and neem in it.
So like she just mentioned that this has neem and lemon in it. What does neem do? Neem is very important. If your mom was not putting it on your face, what my mom was doing was she would churn it and she would just give it to me to drink it to purify everything from inside too. So neem is very important for purification inside out, and this has neem, which is antibacterial, so it's going to help you in removing your pimples and it's going to remove whatever bacterial infection or anything going on. Also, this has lemon in it. What I used to do was, lemon is a little strong, it has vitamin C in it. It helps in lightening your skin and removing pigmentation. So what I used to do earlier was I would cut it into half and put it over my hands so that my hands become a little lighter. But you cannot do that on your face, of course, because your face has very smooth skin, very delicate skin. So through this face wash, you have the best qualities of both of them, and that's why I've been really liking it.
For people who have oily skin like hers, this is actually good because this is oil free and would not clog your pores. So with people who have really oily skin, they have extra secretion of sebum which actually sits on your skin, and then it actually produces bacteria, and that results in pimples. So this would help clear your pores and give you a nice smooth skin.
And Shora, what do you think about the consistency of the product?
So it has a very clear gel-like consistency with a greenish tinge to it. You don't need a lot of it to apply and lather up on your face. Just a little bit would do the deal for you. And what about the smell?
I think I have it on my nose. It smells really nice. It smells of lemon, so it's very refreshing. It has like a very good feel to it when you put it over your face and you wash it. You feel really refreshed.
So we have been using this product for a while now. This is not a new product. You can easily spot it in stores. And let me tell you that if you can make out, I have like 2-3 pimples on my right cheek, and after using this, it has become better. It's lightened a little and it has helped me calm my pimples down. So it definitely worked for me.
So for me, I felt that the product left my face really nourished and smooth. I do not get pimples, but of course I have oily skin. I get other problems where my face secretes a lot of oil and then blackheads and clogged pores, and all of that is not happening because this is oil free and it helps in clearing your pores and not getting it clogged with dirt.
So all in all, we feel that because of its pricing and availability of the product, it's perfect for young teenage girls, especially if you're out and you're like in college and do not stay with your family. It's just like a perfect thing to get rid of your pimples and solve your pimple problems on a daily basis.
So I hope this review helped all our pretty little subscribers, and also just to make it a little fun, how about you guys who all have been using this product, or if you are planning to use the product, then post a picture and mention about your experience and tag us, and we're going to comment back on it.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things.
Bye guys!
Now you go break up with your pimples.